Most traders start their careers with a fundamental lack of understanding of what it means to be a trader, the skills that are involved and the depth to which those skills needs to be developed. Here is a prime example of what I'm talking about. Trading is inherently risky. To my knowledge, no trade has a guaranteed outcome. Therefore, the possibility of being wrong and losing money is always present. So when you put on a trade, can you consider yourself a risk taker? Even though this may sound like a trick question, it is not. A logical answer to the question is unequivocally yes. If I engage in an activity that is inherently risky, then I must be a risk taker. This is a perfectly reasonable assumption for any trader to make. In fact, not only do virtually all traders make this assumption, but most traders take pride in thinking themselves as risk takers. The problem is that this assumption couldn't be further from the truth. Of course, any trader is taking a risk when they put on a trade, but that doesn't mean they're correspondingly accepting that risk. In other words, all trades are risky because the outcomes are probable, not guaranteed. But do most traders really believe they're taking a risk when they put on a trade? Have they really accepted that the trade has a non-guaranteed probable outcome? Have they really accepted the possible consequences? The answer is unequivocally no. Most traders have absolutely no concept of what it means to be a risk taker in the way a successful trader thinks about risk. The best traders not only take the risk, they also learn to accept and embrace that risk. There is a huge psychological gap between assuming you are a risk taker because you put on a trade and fully accepting the risk inherent in each trade. When you fully accept the risks, it will have profound implications on your bottom line performance. The best traders can put on a trade without the slightest bit of hesitation or conflict, and just as freely and without hesitation or conflict admit it isn't working. They can get out of a trade even with a loss, and doing so doesn't resonate the slightest bit of emotional discomfort. In other words, the risk inherent in trading do not cause the best traders to lose their discipline, focus and sense of confidence. If you are unable to trade without the slightest bit of emotional discomfort, then you have not learned how to accept the risk inherent in trading. This is a big problem because to whatever degree you haven't accepted that risk is the same degree to which you avoid the risk. Trying to avoid something that is unavoidable will have disastrous effect on your ability to trade successfully. Learning to truly accept the risks in any endeavor can be difficult, but it is extremely difficult for traders, especially considering what's at stake. What are we generally most afraid of? Certainly, losing money and being wronged. Both rank close to the top of the list. Admitting we are wrong and losing money can be extremely painful and certainly something to avoid. Yet as traders, we are confronted with these two possibilities virtually every moment we're in a trade. Trading presents us with a fundamental paradox. How do we remain disciplined, focused, and confident in the face of constant uncertainty? When you have learned how to think like a trader, that's exactly what you'll be able to do. Learning how to redefine your trading activities in a way that allows you to completely accept the risks is the key to thinking like a successful trader. Learning to accept the risk is a trading skill, the most important skill you can learn. When you learn the trading skill of risk acceptance, the market will not be able to generate information that you define or interrupt as painful. If the information the market generates doesn't have the potential to cause you any emotional pain, there is nothing to avoid. It's just an information telling you what the possibilities are. This is called an objective perspective, one that is not skewed or distorted by what you are afraid is going to happen or not happen next.